Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the BRIA AI application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and in the address bar type in bria.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BRIA AI website. Now from the home page, click on the Get Started button at the right side and you will be taken into the sign up page. From the sign up page, if you already have an account, click on Login and proceed with your credentials. And now you will be taken into your BRIA AI dashboard. Now from the home page, in order to install the application, you will need to install the web browser version. So click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then scroll down and hover over to Save and Share. Then click on Create Shortcut and now make sure that Open as Window is checked. Then click on the Create button. And now this will open up the BRIA AI application in its own separate window. And now you will be asked whether you want to pin this to your taskbar. This will also create a shortcut for BRIA AI on your desktop right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the BRIA AI application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.